The greatest wealth is health. Virgil. Health is the crown on the well person's head that only the ill person can see. Robin Sharma. Take care of your body. It's the only place you have to live. Jim Rohn. Wealth consists not in having great possessions, but in having few wants. Epictetus. The more you learn, the more you earn. Warren Buffett. The only limit to our realization of tomorrow will be our doubts of today. Franklin D. Roosevelt. The mind is everything. What you think, you become. Buddha. Investing in yourself is the best investment you will ever make. Unknown. The only way to do great work is to love what you do. Steve Jobs. Success is not the key to happiness. Happiness is the key to success. If you love what you are doing, you will be successful. Albert Schweitzer. Your wealth is hiding under your daily routines. T. Harv Eker. The only thing standing between you and your dream is the will to try and the belief that it is actually possible. Joel Brown. To keep the body in good health is a duty. Otherwise, we shall not be able to keep our mind strong and clear. Buddha. It does not matter how slowly you go as long as you do not stop. Confucius. A healthy outside starts from the inside. Robert Urich. The greatest discovery of all time is that a person can change his future by merely changing his attitude. Oprah Winfrey. The first wealth is health. Ralph Waldo Emerson. Your life does not get better by chance, it gets better by change. Jim Rohn. Wealth is the ability to fully experience life. Henry David Thoreau. The quality of your life is determined by the quality of your thoughts. Robin Sharma.